we will be counting now radios from 331 to 355. As you can see 331 this number है up to 355. So from top to bottom 331 to 355 number radios have been kept in this here. So we are going to take out this radio like 331 is here and there are radios behind, radios from top to bottom. And we are starting the count again. So this is 331 Bush 540. So confirming it from list 331 Bush 5400, taking it out and counting the rest of the radios, putting it here. 331 is this. So again we have got 332 here, 5800 model Bush in the list. 332 5800 confirm. 333 should be Viking RC 5159. So searching for that 333 radio, putting this 337 down, searching for 333 radio. 333 should be there. Actually this is stable, so it can't come out. We are going to 333 is Viking, so it is also confirmed. I'm confirming it in list 333 Viking. 334 we have this one is 334 Panasonic. This 334 Panasonic, confirming it into list 334 Panasonic. 335 should be Empire ETR 2001 radio. So this is 335 and this is Empire ETR 2001 radio. So this is also confirmed in the list. Confirming the other radio 336 Murphy 5503. 336 we have already kept down, so we are showing it down here. 336, which one is this? This is 336 Murphy 5503, confirming it in the list and putting it here. 336 is confirmed. Now we will be confirming 337 Sonyo. 337 Sonyo is here. This is Bush and this is Sanyo. 337 Sanyo is written here. So this is also we are keeping after confirming it to list 337 Sonyo. 338 Sonyo CFM 255. So 338 we already, this was 331. 338 will be down. So, okay, we have to pause the video. From 338 is Sony CFM. We will be searching that 338 here. This is 348, taking it down, and this one is 338. I will find you this video 338 and it is Sony CFM 255. This is the model number CFM 255. Confirming it from list 338. Yeah, this is 338 CFM 255. Done. 339. I have to take this radio out to show you the 339th radio. So taking 339. We are taking the attempt for 339. So 339 is Sony CFM 315. This is 339 radio and Sony is written here. Let us check the model number. Model number is also verified, CFM 31S. CFM 31S Sony CFM 31S. This is 31S. 339 confirm. Putting it back. We are moving on to 340 now. 340 is kept here. 340 should be Aiwa solid state TPR 210. So this is 340. This is Aiwa written here and model number. This is unique. We don't have another model number. So 340 is also confirmed. Moving on to 341. 341 is 341. This is 344. This is 348, 341, 343. Where is the 340? Up to 340 we have done. We have up to 341. 340. So 341 is this. We are confirming it, and then we will move on to 343.
42.
Keep it.
342.
340. 341 is done. 341 is done. 342 is Hitachi. Yes, this one is Hitachi 342. 342 Hitachi. TRK 560EE 5600E. We have this one radio only of Hitachi. So also model number could be checked. TRK 5600E. So up to 342 is done. Moving on to 343. 343 we have got here 348, 344, and this one is we have got 343. 343 should be Hitachi Orient. So this is 343 Hitachi Orient. Putting it back. 343 done. 344 Sanyo M2402. So 344. This is 344. This is 344 Sanyo. This is 344 Sanyo, and model number we can check M2402. So this is also one 344. 345 should be DEC. So these are I think down this video. This is 348.
Chart.
345 DKR 1221. So 345 DKR 1221. Confirming and keeping it. 345 is done. 345 is done. Now we have got this 346. 346 Western. 346 Western. This is also done. 346. 347 is here. Take it. 347 is Ambic stereo and radio with RX sound. Panasonic. 347 RX done. So up to 347 we have done. 348, where is it? 348 must be down. 348, 346, 5. So 348 must be down here. They will be taking it out. And then pause the video now. So 348 is Bosch IR20. So this is 348 Bosch, and confirming the model number. Bosch IR20. Bosch IR20 is written here, so it is confirmed. 348 confirmed. Now 349 should be Akai AJ345. 349 and Akai AJ345 is confirmed and list. 350 should be JVC Nivico 350. 350 JVC Nivico. This is confirmed in list. 351 should be Sony, and we have a lot to radio with Sony name, so we are going to confirm the model number also. This is solid state. Should we keep like this only? This is solid state Sony. 351 Sony solid state TR1300. So 351 Sony TR1300. So this is confirmed. Yeah, this is confirmed now. 352 should be National Panasonic. 352 is National Panasonic. confirming the model number RX154, because there we have a lot radios with National Panasonic in name. So we are confirming you the model is 3RX is 154DT. This is the model number, and in list also we have got RX154DT. This is confirmed. 353 should be National Panasonic, and yes, National Panasonic is there, and RX155OT. 353 should be RX150. This is confirmed. 353 National Panasonic. 354 should be National Panasonic RQ519DS. 353 we have done. 354 should be RQ1559DS. Yes. So 354 radio National Panasonic, and confirming the model number. Model number is here RQ159DS. Okay, confirming it from the list. 3 done. Next is 355, and it should be National Panasonic RO54ZD. So 355, this is National Panasonic written here, and I will be confirming the model number to you. 355. This is the model number. See, where is the model number? Model number is here EQ542D 54ZD BQ. This is the model number. So 54ZD RQ. Confirmed. 355 radio is confirmed. We are moving on to next section now with 356 to 370 radios are kept in this rack. So we will be counting them now, keeping all these radios back in this rack. Okay, it's all the video out of this rack and they are put down. Now we will be counting them from 356 number. 356 should be National Panasonic RX1650T. So this is 356, and National Panasonic is written here. We have to confirm the model number because National Panasonic lot number of radios we have with of same company. So this is RX1650T. So this confirms with our list. National Panasonic RX1650T. This is 357. 357 is again National Panasonic 357. The model number should match 1450T. 357 National Panasonic model number we are going to match. This is the model number RX1450T, matching it with the list 1450T RX. This is 357 confirmed. 358 again National Panasonic, confirming the model number R30B. 358 confirming the model number. This is R530B. So this is confirmed. 358 is confirmed. R530B. 359 same National Panasonic, and model number should match 435DS RQ. So this is National Panasonic again, and model number, as you can see, this is RQ435DS. It has matched with our list, so we are confirming it. 360 we will check now. This is 360. 360 should be Crown Coder CSC. So this is unique Crown Coder. So we are confirming it. 360. 361 should be National RQ235. National Company 361. We will have to confirm the model number because we already have so many radios with National Company, but the requirement is they should be different. So for checking the difference, we are giving the model number different 235TS. So this confirms a different model number RQ3. Now checking for 362. 362 should be a radio with National Panasonic and R5210B model. So this is 362 label and National Panasonic, and showing you the model number. That is R5210B. So from our list also R5210B, 362 confirmed, 363 again National Panasonic. Model number should be R510B, 363. Model number 6 band 12 transistor radio, model number R3000. Okay, this is 3000, 363 confirmed. 364 is again a Panasonic radio, and we have to check the model number for its genuinity. RX5012 LS. Checking it from this is the model number RX5012 LS. So this confirms into our list. 365 again National Panasonic 4960F. National Panasonic 365, National Panasonic, model number 4950F, as we can see. So confirming it from list 4950F. 366 is again our National Panasonic radio, and we have to check the model number. Model number is RQ565D. So we are RQ565D. We are checking it. National Panasonic RQ565D confirmed. 367 BPL Sony. 367 is BPL Sony radio. So BPL Sanyo radio. BPL Sanyo. So this is confirmed. 367 BPL Sanyo radio. Sanyo. SANYO. Okay. 368 is again a National Panasonic radio, and very mammoth, humongous, very heavy radio. Its model number should be 3-in-1 wide sound. 368. 3-in-1 wide sound. This is a unique radio of National Panasonic. I can't find any model number, so for the uniqueness, we are just we are taking this as the model number. 3-in-1 stereo with sound. So 368 is confirmed. Now 369 is Hitachi radio, and as you can see, this FM 4 FM stereo, Hitachi TRK 6108 should be. So checking the model number, Hitachi. Here you can see Hitachi model number TRK 610. This TRK 610, confirming from the list. 369 Hitachi TRK 610. Now 370. 370 should be Sony CFS. We already have so many Sony radios, so we have to check its genuinity by confirming the model number. It should be different from the previous one. CFS 3305. It should be this. So confirming it. 4 band 370 is 3CA. So this is model number CFS 330S. So this is done. We have counted up to 370. Next we will take this rack, another rack 371 to 420 we will count. Okay, we will be keeping all these radios back, keeping those radios back into this, and then we will count this task.